Okay, selected grain, we hydrolyze. And then ingredients are polysaccharide, phytonutrients means plant nutrients. They are the natural vitamins, peptides, and we have antioxidant. Antioxidant are glutathione, catalase, superoxide dismutase. These are natural antioxidants we have. And then you have the organic minerals and essential minerals. Yet are the chemicals, because we don't use chemical in the plant, so you only get the good minerals. And so this is a functional food because it helps the cells to function. Next. So you can see mainly we use brown rice, short grain rice, different type of rice, because different grain we have 20 different type of amino acid. Leucine, lysine, isoleucine, phenylalanine, proline, like that you have different methionine and all. So different amino acids have different function in the body. So we get different variety of rice, young, rich in different amino acid. So we compile all the different rice and then we make the active ingredients. So that different rice, like at Chiang Mai, near the mountains, you get high minerals. So we choose the different area also. Next. So these are the different areas where it's chosen, you see. Below this, so all the minerals that is coming down from the mountains accumulates in here. So the rice grown here has rich in minerals. Some are rich in other amino acids. So you can see how it is. Since 1990, we are having, of course, Mr. David got it in 1999, but so I'm having this product 1990, but we found Mr. David in 90. Because a lot of others came and asked us, but they have thousands of products. They will put yours inside. I didn't want. It's a unique product. This is our factory. Next. So this is how they process UPN NutriBlend. Because alpha PSP is a scientific word. So commercial for the sales market, we call it NutriBlend. So raw material is hydrolyzed and all this to get that product. Some of you, I think, have seen the factory. Next. So it undergoes state-of-art proprietary biotechnology. Next. So every grain, if you see under microscope, if you take NutriBlend, you ambil one grain, dia nampak macam ni, primate. Egyptians believe in the power of primate. Longevity. It is now written, if the primate yang center is 55 degree, 52 minutes, you sit under it, 1/3 from the ground. It's known as a king's chamber. You pray or you meditate, 6 times more power you get when you are doing zikir under a pyramid. Ancient Egyptian power, NutriBlend is pyramid shape. I don't know how it came out that way. So it has a power of longevity. So the kings die, they go and bury them in the pyramid. Okay, mechanism. How does it work? Provide fuel, provide energy. Petronas, dia nak petrol to give electricity for the TNB. So similarly, for our energy, for you to listen what I'm talking, for me to talk, the fuel is provided. That's the first mechanism how it works in the body. Next. Second, it works on the digestive system. That's why we ask you to take Procosol. If you take with Procosol, you'll repair all your digestive tract. All the nonsense we eat, the tom yum and the chili, damages your villi and it repairs. Third one, increase the oxygen in the body. How they increase? It reduces the chance of toxins entering the body. It blocks the toxin. That's why we did research on this, because we are bombarding our body with so much toxin from makanan, from clothing, from all the chemicals we're using. So it will reduce the toxins. Once it reduces the toxin from being absorbed from the gut, from your intestine, usus, leaky gut, then it will increase the oxygen intake. Insulin production, I told you, it will stimulate the S cells, hormones in the gut, your pancreas, so it will increase the insulin production. You can see the S cell. This is your pancreas yang buat insulin. To stimulate this one, the key to stimulate is a S cell, which is a hormone. So it will, when you take this NutriBlend in empty stomach, they stimulate your S cell, your S hormone, and then the insulin production, the proper key will be made. And key betul tu, eh? That is why the side effect of hyperinsulinemia, the S cell. It is the insulin signal receptor. We got our research paper in US on this. How it stimulates the S signal cell. So when the hyperinsulin, I told you, cause all the disease, metabolic syndrome, heart attack, all. So this, once you give proper insulin, all the complication kurang. But diabetes is caused by excess eating of all this. You can't help that. So you control your eating, you can control your diabetes. You block the insulin by using insulin blockers. The cheapest and the natural insulin blocker is kayu manis. Punya nama pun kayu manis. So if you can crush it before food and swallow a little bit, it is an insulin blocker or sugar blocker. Or you have gymnema, or you have deptin. So many things are there. So mechanism number 5, it stimulates the production of energy, ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So it also helps to burn the glucose. See the fuel, how it is burned, and then it helps the cell to convert all the nutrients, your polysaccharide, to burn into energy. And number 6 is reduce the toxins entering the cells. See toxic metabolites, how it is. It is reduced and the oxygen intake is up. So it produces 36 different type of energy field. Next. Reduces the free radicals occurring in the cell. Next. By biological fuel, oxygen, existing heat source, and how it reduces the free radicals and increases oxygen production. All this is into the cell. They did a lot of research. This nanotechnology. It detoxifies. When you go into the cell, dia buang racun dari cell. It also helps to by helping in the pH of the cell. Inside the cell is always alkaline because it has a potassium. Outside the cell is acidic. But when the acid goes in cancer patient, the acid goes in, then the cancer cells will start dividing very fast. That's why anybody having cancer, now people are selling alkali water. Dengar tak?
Yes.
They're selling alkali water because they want to alkali your blood. Banyak kita punya makanan ada acid. All your daging, everything is acidic. Your coffee acidic. Especially your tea is also supposed to be alkali, but when you masuk gula, susu dia jadi alkali, acidic. So all this acidic will change the pH. When the pH changes, it increases the membrane potential will change from normal to abnormal, and all this will cause the cells to become old. You get wrinkles, you look old, no energy, and then you get cancer. Next. So the other mechanism is antioxidant production. Your body can produce some defense mechanism, antioxidant. I told you, SOD, superoxide dismutase, catalase, and glutathione. 3 powerful antioxidants your body can produce. God has given in the body. So, for production, you need ingredients. Okay, you want to produce this whole. You need lights, you need pillars, everything. So, to produce antioxidant, you need ingredients. That's our NutriBlend. We made sure that it produces. So we can tell you glutathione, catalase, and superoxide dismutase. These are powerful antioxidants, and our product can help your body to manufacture by giving the natural ingredients. Next. And the last but not least, repair. I told you, your chemicals go into the cell, they damage the DNA. That's why in children, when you're taking too much toxic food, when you have a child, number 1 can born premature, 7 months, then sumbing, then spina bifida, Down syndrome, hole in the heart, because there's a damage to the DNA. The genes are altered. So this can protect by repairing this DNA. That's why ladies who are getting pregnant must take our product. We have, in Malacca, I did a study last time, we have NutriBlend babies. all healthy, not sickness after birth. ATP production, abundant cellular energy, cellular repair, antioxidants. Okay. Then we did some studies in the lab. So we took the cells, we take the cells, this is a cell without anything, and then we put glutamate. Glutamate is a toxin. Glutamate is a toxin found in patients who are having Alzheimer. Dengar tak Alzheimer? Ronald Reagan, sampai dia makan dia punya najis. Such a president. So Alzheimer they forget because their memory is blocked by glutamate. Beta glutamate, because it blocks the transmission of nerves, so he doesn't know between najis and food. So dia makan. So this glutamate we introduced because we were doing a study on Alzheimer's disease, and I think it was partly funded by Hillary, who was the wife of Ronald Reagan.